Today, most enterprises struggle to scale AI beyond pilots. This is not just due to technology, but because of unclear use cases, governance hurdles, and infrastructure limitations. Trigent tackles these head-on with modular, enterprise-ready AI services that turn experimentation into execution, helping clients unlock faster innovation, seamless integration, and scalable outcomes. Recently, Trigent collaborated with ISG to release a comprehensive briefing note outlining how modular AI is reshaping enterprise adoption. Our approach embeds AI into existing systems with API-first, containerized agents. No rewrites, no platform lock-in. This is helping enterprises reduce the time from POC to production by up to 35%, enabling faster value realization. From healthcare to insurance, logistics, legal, education, and manufacturing, we are driving domain-specific modernization and automation through custom-built agentic intelligence and Gen AI solutions. Download the ISG briefing note to see how Trigent's modular AI services accelerate transformation and explore how to get started.